Hello, boys and girls. Let's listen to A Trip to the Emergency Room. Who works in the emergency room? Oh no! You have a broken bone. Where do you go? To the hospital emergency room, of course. The emergency room can be a busy place. Ambulances and people arrive there during the day and night. People are brought there if they have a serious medical problem. Stop for a moment and think about what the word serious means. Okay, let's continue. Doctors and nurses work in the emergency room. Their job is to aid people who are sick or hurt. Other people help patients too. They help keep the hospital running properly. Let's meet some of the people who work in a hospital emergency room. Pause for a moment. Think about what the word aid means. Okay, let's move on. The first person you see in the emergency room is an admissions worker. The hospital needs to keep track of the patients coming into the emergency room. The admissions person checks you in. The adult who is with you will fill out hospital forms. The forms ask for your personal information and why you came to the hospital. Think about what the word personal means. Okay, let's move on. Next, a nurse will help you. A nurse's job is to find out about your injury and ask you questions about your health. The nurse will take your temperature and blood pressure and record this information on a chart. The nurse informs other people in the hospital about your problem. Think about what the word informs means. Okay? Then you will meet an orderly or nurse's aide. That person will help you get around in the hospital. She will take you to the correct department if you need to get tests done. She may use a wheelchair to take you from one area to another. Last, it's time for the doctor to examine you. The doctor checks your injury. He also looks at your chart. He arranges for you to get an X-ray if you need one. The doctor knows how to fix your broken bone. He will probably put on a cast so the bone will heal. The doctor also decides whether you need to stay in the hospital or if you can go home right away. Pause and think about what the word heal means. Okay? So don't worry if you need to go to the emergency room. Now you know about the people who work there and how they will help you feel better.